Rufile aklaleki unyo go reng Rufile aklaleki oh fuck you man thusitse mona o bola ke tlala iso o sokola iso o tla da so ra o thusa na le kapsa mfethu kindness ya rona like us being good to you take advantage of that horna man nang le na something so wetu wa lona o nang le if le na no re yena o na le pile sharp cause na le pele masipa o khawatile mfana ka hold him down though like mass music hold this nigga down like down like as it says a G and on so now we have to look back as if rona we discredited you there. Obviously, reposted live, we went live, we saw why he's required, but obviously we can't do anything because of you fighting us. You don't want the song to be out. So we have to take you out on the song so that the song can be out and then we'll take it from there. Fuck the song, actually, no rain Sarausani Pinila. Rain Sapinela, YouTube. Because of really, I not blessing. Like Pinela doesn't have blessing at all. It's fucked already. You've ruined my boys. Man. Listen phonela. How? When I get the mate, you saw the category. I've saved this culture, my bra. I've fucking saved this culture. Linogorin. Because I've saved this culture. Then I look up the one at Tabakabs, I'm calling this thing. Yeah? Lenano game you okay. Lenano game you okay. Already, Biana. Like to read like man. I fucking saved this culture as South African music. South African SA is driven by this motherfucker. I've saved a lot of things. I've crawled for you guys. This is what I'm man. This is what I'm man. This is what I'm Luna. This is no one man. All but whatever, they want to see me down because of I'm the guy. I've made this shit happen. I'm a piano, it's Africa, it's a village. Yes. Like my piano yetang. Do you know what I've did for this country? Listen to anything for a country. You help people about betray. You help people about betray. Everyone around me, all the motherfuckers, all the but what about this thing? I'm betray. Okay. But I'm still here. I'm still standing. I'm still strong. Lesanyela. Kim two seats nice. Nice. Give something so. Kim two seats, the man. I said Nagir to run a business. It's not me. I said Nagir he can't keep relationships. Another relationship. You can't keep relationship. If you don't have relationship, there's no network, no net worth. I wanna silo, I'll track any silo. Long about blind wrong. And then when the idea's out there, someone is gonna take it and is gonna do it better than you. Sakwata. If Nagira beat you no mutuan kopisa, o sakwata. That's how the universe works. Ashulem do TRP mola bam kapile asakwata horiena we sent he sent the idea out there to everyone so hebam kapa asakwata. That's how it is. That's how I learned the game. Kitene ka ukapa babang lena no bang kapa akikwati I just give all strength ro kuchuru wave